Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2023 Ford Explorer ST in Agatite Black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 21-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, heated and ventilated front seating, steering wheel, mounted audio controls, 28,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, heated rear seats, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7994.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.